Hi there and welcome to this unboxing video for an Amiga Swatch Mission to the Moon piece. This was purchased on the 30th of July from Swatch in Geneva on Rue de Mont Blanc, 250 Swiss francs. Quite an unusual purchasing process. There were resellers in the store and outside the store. You could tell that the store staff were trying to avoid selling to resellers, and so we were asked very discreetly, is this actually for you, or are you intending to resell this piece? As well as buying the Mission to the Moon piece, we also got the Mission to Uranus one. They did have a Venus piece and also a Sun as well. All of them have got this sliding outer cardboard sleeve with a few interesting facts about the astronomical body, done in a kind of jokey way. So on the Mission to Uranus one, it makes some kind of sly, I don't know, some unusual use of English would be probably the way that I would say it. This slides off. Then you get that bifold gate that you've probably seen if you've got another Amiga piece. Underneath there's the confirmation of the price. I don't know how much these cost in other countries. £200 I think in the UK. So when you open it up, there's the piece. On the left hand side, a small booklet which has got some details about the other ones available. Very collectible, these, aren't they? Very, very collectible. I'm sure that lots of people aspire to own all of them. On the right hand side, guarantee. This is the instruction book. The piece pulls out from this kind of quite tight fitting sleeve. My wife's got an Amiga watch and it's very similar. So then the Velcro pulls out from the side and this unhooks. This is quite stiff plastic. I think the thing that I do want to show you is that this is rounded at the end. I was worried that it would catch if you were wearing a sweater or a shirt, but actually that's been rounded off there. I think they probably thought about that. So let me move the boxes out of the way. So I wear my watch on the right, and I've got quite slim wrists as well. And then I guess that this is the money shot. Okay, so then let's take a look at the stopwatch function. That's quite nice, isn't it? One last look on the back. Mission to the Moon. Thanks to Chris. Thanks to Sam for suggesting that we do this. And we'll do the mission to Uranus one tomorrow.